Paano magpasa ng data to Talk and Text or Smart? First guys, register to your preferred Talk and Text promo or Smart promo tulad ng Giga Promo, Surf Saya, or any basta may shareable data siya. Next, kapag nakaregister na tayo, go to write message 808, dyan natin isesend. Then, type mobile number ng papasahan natin, space, amount in MB, then send to 808. For example, 500 MB. Kapag gusto nating magpasa ng 1 GB, palitan natin yan ng 1000 MB. Pwede din guys lagyan ng pasa data, space, mobile number, then amount ng ipapasa in MB, then send to 808. Ganyan guys ang pagpasa through text message, either with pasa data or wala. Pwede din guys sa Smart App. Kung wala kayong Smart App, install sa Play Store or App Store. Then, log in, set your password, then log in. Meron ako guys, kaya open ko. Check nyo guys, kailangan may regular load, tas may available shareable data. Back. Click itong pasa. Scroll pataas. Enter dito ang mobile number ng papasahan natin na Smart or Talk and Text. Check kung tama ang number, then click continue. Dito sa baba, click itong pasa data. Yan guys, ang minimum na pwedeng ipasa ay 100 MB, tas ang maximum ay 4 GB. Hindi tulad sa True Text Message na pwede ang 50 MB, 100 MB, or any amount in MB. Click lang kung magkano ang gustong ipasa. May 1 peso na charge. Click confirm. Note guys, kailangan may regular load tayo kahit piso kasi may transaction fee siyang 1 peso. Ang naipasa nating data is valid for 1 day only regardless of the amount. Pasa data function is available to Talk and Text, Smart Prepaid, and Smart Bro Prepaid subscribers. Kung may concern kayo guys, you may call the customer service hotline number *888 for free using your phone with Talk and Text or Smart SIM to ask for help. So, ganyan po magpasa ng mobile data through text message or through Smart App. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button para updated kayo sa next nating tutorial video.